Do you want to add a member tag in WhatsApp group? You can add a WhatsApp group member role with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a member role in a WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, tap on the group chat where you want to assign the role. Now, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open group info. Scroll down the list until you find all members of the group. Here, you will see a list of group members. Now, tap on Add Member Tag under your name to set your role in the group. A new screen will appear. From here, type your role in the member tag section. Once added, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. After that, the list will update to show your new status. Once done, you will have the role, and it can help other group participants.